going to talk today is about things in post office. When we talk about the things in post office, we see like the letter. So how to say letter in Japanese? In Japanese they say like tekami. Tekami. Tekami is mean a letter. And if I want to say like I'm writing a letter, I can say like 私は手紙を書いています。私は手紙を書いています。which means I am writing a letter. Or you can say like 鈴木さんは母の手紙を書いています。鈴木さんは母の手紙を書いています。which means Suzuki-san is writing a letter for her mother. Or if you want to say Tanaka-san got a letter from her parents. You can say like 田中さんは親から手紙をもらいました。田中さんは親から手紙をもらいました。which means 田中さん got a letter from his parents. Postcard. Postcard in Japanese they say hagaki. Hagaki. Hagaki is mean postcard. Actually in Japan they will use the postcard for the new year. Especially for the beginning of the January of every year. If you have many friends or you have known someone, you can buy some postcard and write something on the postcard. Then you send to your friends in Japan. So if you want to buy a postcard, how to say in Japanese? はがきを買いにコンビニへ行きます。はがきを買いにコンビニへ行きます。which means I will go to buy a postcard at the convenience store. はがきを買いに行ってきました。はがきを買いに行ってきました。which means I already bought a postcard. このはがきは誰に送りますか？このはがきは誰に送りますか？ which means Who will you send this postcard to? Right. 住所と名前を書いてください。住所と名前を書いてください。which means please write your name and your address. Or you can say the destination address, not your address. The person that you want to send. So 住所 is mean address. And the name is mean the name of the person you want to send to. So you can say はがきを書きます。It means write a postcard. はがき、このはがきは誰に送りますか？ Who will you send this postcard to? はがきはどこで買いますか？ Where can I buy a postcard? If you don't know where to buy, you can say はがきはどこで買いますか？ which means where can I buy a postcard コンビニではがきを買えますよコンビニではがきを買えますよ which means you can buy a postcard at the convenience store. Convenience means convenience store. So if you live in Japan, don't forget to buy a hagaki or a postcard to write to your friends. 封筒is mean envelope. So when we talk about the thing in post office, we should have envelope or 封筒 because when you want to send, you have to put your letter to the envelope. So if I want to say I put the letter to the envelope. So you can say 私は封筒に手紙を入れます。私は封筒に手紙を入れます。Which means I put the letter into the envelope. Or you can say 田中さんは封筒にはがきを入れます。Which means 田中さん puts the postcard into the envelope. Or when you want to open the envelope, you can say 私は封筒を開けます。開けます which means open. So which means I open the envelope. 鈴木さんは封筒を開けました。Which means 鈴木さん open the envelope. Or you can say 封筒から手紙を取りました。封筒から手紙を取りました。Which means I took the letter from the envelope. Or you can say 田中さんは封筒からはがきを取りました。Which means 田中さん took a postcard from the envelope. So when you say about the photo or about the envelope, you can create many sentences like this. Or you can say, I go to buy an envelope. You can say, 封筒を買いに行きます。すみません、封筒を買いに行ってもらえませんかすみません、封筒を買いに行ってもらえませんか Which means, sorry, could you go to buy an envelope for me? Something like this. If you want to ask another person to buy